gosh, it was gonna generate. And you guys maybe think, how did you not know it before? Because I didn't download this app called X Recorder. Records you play the games. No. Seriously, guys. I think we can check your thoughts out. I don't think that's checking or anything. But truly. Oh my god. This is not what I need.
Hindi ang isa po yung 3 weeks. Wala po dito.
Guys, look at this.
3 weeks na gamay.
There's a mini guy.
Long nose.
Oh my gosh, I need to shoot that mini guy.
Dabos ang balon ng pirado, bakal ko.
Guys, I think you might be loose. Guys, I think I'm gonna change it out. Survival, creative. Guys, I'm gonna turn creative right now. I am creative man. It allows me to go back here. Settings, creative, survival. Oh my gosh. Not one I need, okay?
Kita yun na to.
Settings.
Mas mauna, pag urong negros, maras. Ulong.
Guys, you better be up those likes. Oh my gosh. The first creeper I've ever found. Look at this, guys. I gotta show you something else. That's not my neighbor. That's not my neighbor. Ooh, that's not my neighbor. Guys, I don't know what happened there. But I'm gonna show another game, guys. So na yun, ang video, ang ma-followers kadamo, ang ma-subscribers kumandamo after this. Nay, happy cow? Nay? Resource pack.
Most likely, in-drop na ito. Ugaling, ang ilang disqualification sa insufficient electricity, inaya SLCC.
Emotional damage. Try to name him Sal. But I can't. Yeah. Try to name him Sal. Whoa. Whoa. Want this bone? Gotta tame you, boy. Oh no, 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 him. Salad man burned to death. But I got a chain. Shit. First try. Wait a minute. Map. I need not to do that. Just go down. My nether house. My nether house. My nether house. Just a little bit harder. Look, you have a little fiber. If you know, guys. I've never known that before. Why you guys are a bunch of these guys? I know. Oh, got you, brother. So high. Can still see you. See, guys, let me show you around. The double Guys have to get inside, guys. But what? I have an whole entire office. And of course I have.
Sabi dito sa wara lang.
A boy. Oh yeah, you're floppy pants. Oh my gosh, I should change the name.
Milyon eh. Milyonaryo, gurong interesado.
I feel beautiful because I treat my hair with candy.
Yeah.
Not just candy, lip gloss. See, I choose lip gloss.
Oh my gosh, this guy doesn't know it's dinner bone. Guys, I name him dinner bone. I'm still not. He's still not doing. Gotta get out of my way. Gotta go in there and gotta go in here. Oh, oops. Gravel, break the gravel. This is, oh my lord, today. That's frozen. Yeah. Nanay. What's the color again? I might end the stream.